Love you so much.
All right, so what do you want to do today?
I want to do my mama's makeup.
What color do you want to do my eyes?
Purple.
So we're going to do a little of that mix, and then pink cheeks, right?
Mm-hmm. And also I'm going to do 2 on her.
So you're going to do 2.
Hello, I'm Carmela, her daughter.
And what's this product? Is it blush?
It's blush.
Mm-hmm.
We need them to see it a little more, so I'm putting a little more.
Oh, okay.
Oh, let me use some.
Go ahead, use your fingertips a little bit. Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm just going
You want to do the other side? Nope, still here. Still here.
other side. Mommy.
Oh, sorry. Oh, rosy cheeks. Yep. Right on the little bridge of the nose. A teeny bit. Put down with blush. Oh, looking so fancy.
This one?
No, thank you for asking though.
Look.
Ooh, beautiful. Like that? That helps to blend some of the edges out, right? Make it a little softer.
Okay.
Oh, Carmela, that is beautiful.
Other side.
Oh, other side.
I'm trying to be an artist, okay? So you need to keep your eyes focused.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't call me ma'am.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm going to put this a little up because it's glistening. And you blush it out. Oh, I'm missing this one.
Oh boy, how nice liquid eyeshadow. Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, now you're layering textures, right?
Mm-hmm. This one, please. Wait, I want to sparkle this.
My eye. Oh, no, my eyebrows?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wild.
Yeah. Wait.
See, right? That's a nice little trick. For the eyelashes. Oh.
It looks cute.
Looks cute. Looks cute. Okay. All right, now you want to get onto the lip?
Stay still.
Okay. Okay. So it's like a cool red. Go nicely with this combo. Oh, and then here we go. Vintage.
Looks beautiful.
Very good. Should I press them together or no?
Yeah, press them together.
Look at that custom color you just made.
Don't kiss me.
Oh, okay.
Good on. I think I need a little bit more blush because I put my hand on it.
A little more blush.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wow. Wow, that's strong shape. Oh, give me a blush beard. And that's it, right?
Ta-da!